Oh, it's already rolling. Oh, and then we're down.
This is my helper, Rocky.
Yes.
You're a good boy.
Yeah, he's good motivation
Yeah, he is.
to sometimes relax,
Yep, he keeps me calm.
take a nap,
Especially
chill.
when he knows I'm doing dangerous work.
Oh, yes, highly dangerous. Life or death.
Yes, today we're doing electrical. So.
Good boy. So this is Rocky. He's 8 months old, and even though he's a puppy, I mean, can you get any more mellow? Are you going to take a nap?
Yeah, probably.
Probably. But
I
anyway.
got it covered, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. You can take it away. No,
Yeah.
no. But the window seat is moving right along. There are some parts and pieces that are clearly new that you've done. We're working on splicing together an explainer for that. But today you're working on something specific.
I am.
As in?
I'm installing lights that we just received.
Ta-da!
We've had them on order for a while. They just arrived. And now we're going to put them in. So I'll show you a little bit about electrical and installing lights.
Yeah.
If what we've done, up here is a structural header.
Okay.
And so behind this is solid wood. I don't have to locate a stud, but because it's structural, I'm using these, what we call in this part of the country, pancake boxes. The wires come out of the wall and through this box, which the light will mount to.
And those wires, that electrical, it's been there for a while. So and now it's just finishing it off.
Right. So it comes from the breaker box to our switch on the wall over here, behind you to your right.
Ta-da!
Okay. So it feeds from
This one?
the main breaker with a feed wire to that switch.
Okay.
From that switch, there's a wire that feeds up here into this header. And this I marked with a black wire, piece of tape, and that's our feed wire. So the power's coming in on this wire.
That's what a feed wire means. It's it's the power wire.
Power from the switch. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
So if you go back over there,
Okay.
I wanted to show, how do I know if this is hot? I have this and I'm okay.
And hot means
Electrified.
it's got power.
That's right. Now there's there's a few ways to check this.
Oh, and what would those ways be?
One would be to stand in a bucket of water
Oh.
and touch it with your tongue.
Oh.
Then you know if it has power.
Uh-huh.
But I wouldn't recommend that.
No, because
That's kind of dangerous.
it's the holiday season and
Yeah.
you might want to be here for the fam.
Right. Another way to check it is, I have this little test sensor, which this is good for testing a wire situation like this because it tests electrical current.
Gotcha.
It'll sense that current.
Here, do you mind showing it?
Not at all.
Let's see if it'll focus. Volt sensor.
Okay. Now, if you were to use this in that switch box, it would pick up on the energy in there. So it may not be specific to the wire in that switch.
Okay.
So this is a good general tool. There are ohm meters and voltage meters that you can read wiring in another way, but this is a good general tool. And we know we just have one feed, then it goes to this wire, which carries it over to that light there, and then from that light it goes up through the ceiling to some track lighting over there. It'll all be on the same switch, but it comes in here.
Okay.
And then we'll tie it together at each location.
Gotcha.
Now, if I put this sensor, which you just touch this clip,
there's a button.
there's like a switch in here.
Gotcha.
And I touch that, there's nothing.
Okay. It doesn't make any kind of reaction.
No. Now I'm going to hold that and you turn on the switch.
Okay. Drum roll, please.
Yeah.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Okay. When you flip the switch, now that tells me this wire is hot.
It's got power.
Now leave it on.
Okay.
See, I go here, I have nothing.
Okay. to the other wire.
Right. So these two have to tie together to get power to this wire.
Okay.
In between there will be the light. So here's our power. Go ahead and turn off the switch. All right, there you go. So we're safe to work on it. We have no electricity here now.
Oops.
Now what I'm going to do is, these lights come with a hardware kit for mounting. I'm going to go ahead and put that on, feed the wires through this, and get it ready, put the lights together and get them ready to put up. So in a moment or two, I'll be back with that information.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay?
Because then editing skills come in.
That's right.
Okay, I get
We
it.
need to,
The director's being directed.
well, the producer director needs to send the film to editing at
okay.
this point and splice it together at a later date with Scotch tape.
Oh,
So it makes one continuous story.
that's how you do it.
That's how
good
you
to
do
know.
it.
Pro
So
tip.
We're going to leave off at this point.
Okay.
All right.
To be continued.
See you in a bit.
And we're back.
Okay, we are.
It looks
Progress has
like,
been made.
yeah, I can see that.
I have that light on or installed.
Okay.
And I wanted to show you what I've done here.
Yeah.
Got a few things to show you. Okay. From that switch again, we feed power to here. From this light, we go to that light, and from that light, we go up there. Now,
Up there being,
up on this track light on the ceiling.
okay. Right
Yes.
there. Okay.
Now, let's talk about the wire used here for just a minute. This circuit, this light circuit, is fed with a 14-2 wire.
What does that mean?
That's a 14 gauge 2-wire Romex wire. It has the white sheath.
Okay.
12-2 would have a yellow sheath, and it's a heavier, 12 gauge is a heavier wire than a 14 gauge. 14 gauge can carry 15 amps. That switch is a 15 amp switch. Typically on receptacles or outlets, I should say, they're 14-2 wire, which is a 20 amp circuit. You draw more with appliances you plug in and so forth for safety's sake. So for a simple lighting circuit, we've used a 14-2 wire. It has a black, which is your hot, white is the common, and then the copper is the ground for safety. The power always comes in on the black, power comes in on the black wire and goes out on the white or the common. So our black is our hot, white is our common. I have tied all the black together and all the white, and then tied the ground wires together. The 14-2 Romex has a ground wire in it. This light fixture only has a black and white wire.
Okay.
So the grounding of this fixture is to the pancake box I've mounted on the wall, and this is the ground wire here. So there's a ground wire that came with the light. There's the ground wire from the 14-2, and they're all tied together and screwed to this. And then when this is anchored to this box, we have a good ground. We have a safe circuit. So we have hot, common, tied together. This is the pancake box I was talking about. You can see how shallow it is. So there's some limitations to that. And you have to really be careful with your wire routing. I had to cut the mounting studs for this light that I had to shorten them. I did that on a vise and with a hacksaw in the shop.
Hi, Bandit. It's okay. This is not dangerous. He knows
Yeah,
what
he was
he's
out there
doing.
helping me.
Oh.
Yeah, he did. I heard him. And to make them the right length. Now all I need to do is mount this light with the mounting nuts that came with it, and they're a decorative nut. I'll do that, but for now, we could show that when it's all done, or just for now, I'll go over here to the switch because it is wired in, and I'll turn on this switch. Okay, we have lights, and you see that light came on up there. Okay, now we'll probably change those bulbs out, but for now, that's what we have. Here we go.
Ta-da!
Lighting 101.
And once more, we are back
Yeah, here we are.
with the finished product.
That's right.
Completely installed. Boy, those look nice.
Well, thank you. I think it's an attractive fixture. And I hope that's a helpful wiring 101 with doing lighting.
Absolutely. And they should point out that those are articulating arms, yes?
Yes.
So they can be adjusted as needed.
That's correct. So if I loosen that, that comes down. So there's, you know, you can have multiple settings with it. Yeah.
Yes,
It's not just for looks, it's actually functional.
Yes, because there again. Oh. This running into stuff. This is going to be
Come here.
the window seat for reading.
So Rocky and I would like to thank you for watching our lighting project.
Yes.
We got it done.
Hi, Buck.
And there's Bob.
Hi, Rocky.
Come here, Bandit.
Oh, Bandit, did you want to say hi too? Okay.
Yeah, he had something to say.
Well, hi, baby. Yes, good boys.
Okay.
Well, thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you. Thanks for watching.